In this video, I will teach you directly and without wasting time how to use frequency separation in Photoshop for professional skin retouching. Subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop retouching, beauty editing, and professional photography tutorials. Step number 1. Let's duplicate the layer. Ctrl J. Now, let's rename the layer 1 by color. And let's rename the layer 2 by texture. Now, let's unselect texture and select color. Let's go to filter, noise, dust and scratches. Let's put here a number so that we can identify the model. 27, it's okay. Now let's check texture. Let's go to the image, apply image. Now let's select the layer color and bring the mode, we put subtract, scale 2 and offset 128. Now we click here linear light. Alright, so now we click on texture and color. Now let's work in the texture mode. We click here in texture. Let's put in stamp mode, current layer. Now we select a part of texture that we want to apply and we put Alt and click. And now we go on the parts that we want to remove or to correct. After just a few minutes of work, we now have a natural texture, not an artificial one. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.